How to control diabetes with diet. A science-backed guide to managing blood sugar naturally. Imagine transforming your meals into a powerful tool for stabilizing blood sugar, boosting energy, and preventing complications. This isn't a dream, it's a proven approach backed by science. Research confirms that dietary changes can reverse prediabetes, enhance type 2 diabetes management, and even reduce dependence on medication. With millions affected by diabetes worldwide, understanding how to use food as medicine has never been more critical. Here's a practical, evidence-based guide to taking control of diabetes through diet. Prioritize low glycemic index, GI foods. The glycemic index, GI, measures how quickly foods raise blood sugar. Low GI foods digest slowly, preventing dangerous spikes. Best choices. Non-starchy vegetables. Spinach, broccoli, and cauliflower provide fiber and essential nutrients. Whole grains, quinoa, barley, and steel-cut oats sustain energy without sudden glucose surges. Legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans balance carbs with fiber and protein. Foods to avoid: white bread, sugary cereals, instant rice, and processed snacks. Research shows that a low GI diet can lower HbA1c levels by 0.5% in just 3 months. Balance your plate with the diabetes plate method. A well-structured plate ensures stable blood sugar and prolonged satiety. The diabetes plate method divides meals as follows. 1 to 2 plate non-starchy vegetables, asparagus, zucchini, or leafy greens. 1 to 4 plate lean protein, grilled chicken, tofu, or fatty fish like salmon. 1 to 4 plate high fiber carbs, sweet potatoes, brown rice, or whole grain pasta. This method prevents glucose overload while keeping meals nutritious and satisfying. 3. Choose healthy fats wisely. Not all fats impact diabetes the same way. Unsaturated fats enhance insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Best sources. Avocados, high in monounsaturated fats and potassium. Nut seeds, almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds help control post-meal glucose spikes. Olive oil contains anti-inflammatory properties beneficial for heart health. Limit saturated fats, fried foods, red meat, and avoid trans fats, processed snacks, margarine, that worsen insulin resistance. Prioritize fiber-rich foods. Fiber slows glucose absorption, preventing sugar spikes. Aim for 25 to 30 grams daily from berries, raspberries, and blackberries. Pack 8 grams of fiber per cup. Chia seeds, a great addition to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. Whole grains, choose bran flakes or whole grain bread over refined versions. Studies confirm that increasing fiber intake lowers blood sugar levels as effectively as some diabetes medications. Time meals and snacks strategically. Eating at irregular intervals disrupts blood sugar stability. Optimize meal timing with these habits. Eat every 3-4 hours, prevents blood sugar fluctuations. Never skip breakfast. A protein-rich morning meal improves insulin function. Finish dinner early. Avoid eating 2-3 hours before bed to support metabolic health. Consistent meal timing improves insulin sensitivity by up to 18%. 6. Choose diabetes-friendly beverages. Hydration plays a crucial role in blood sugar control. Best choices. Water. Add lemon, mint, or cucumber for flavor. Herbal teas. Cinnamon tea may mimic insulin's effects. Sparkling water. Opt for unsweetened versions over soda. Avoid fruit juices, energy drinks, and sugary sodas. A single daily soda increases diabetes risk by 26%. 7. Reduce added sugars and refined carbs. Hidden sugars lurk in condiments, sauces, and healthy packaged foods. Smart swaps. Check food labels. Look out for terms like agave syrup or dextrose. Choose whole foods. Opt for zucchini noodles instead of pasta, or cauliflower rice instead of white rice. Use natural sweeteners. Stevia or monk fruit provide sweetness without raising blood sugar. The American Heart Association recommends limiting added sugar to 25 g, 6 teaspoons daily for women, and 36 g, 9 teaspoons for men. Incorporate diabetes-friendly superfoods. Some foods actively regulate blood sugar and support insulin function. Cinnamon, just 1-2 teaspoons daily may lower fasting glucose by up to 29%. Apple cider vinegar, diluting 1 tablespoon in water before meals helps reduce post-meal spikes. Turmeric, curcumin, its active compound, enhances insulin sensitivity. Always check with a healthcare provider before adding supplements to your routine. Practice portion control, mindful eating. Overeating, even healthy foods, can cause blood sugar imbalances. Tips for portion control. Measure servings. A single carb portion is about 15 grams, 1 to 2 cup cooked quinoa. Use smaller plates, can reduce calorie intake by up to 20%. Eat slowly. It takes 20 minutes for your brain to signal fullness. Mindful eating prevents overeating and helps regulate glucose levels more effectively. 10. Monitor blood sugar, adjust your diet accordingly. Each person's response to food varies. Tracking your blood sugar helps identify patterns and triggers. How to track effectively. Test fasting blood sugar each morning. Check levels 2 hours after meals to measure post-meal responses. Adjust your meals based on observed patterns. Understanding your body's reactions helps refine your diet for optimal glucose control. Bonus: lifestyle enhancements for blood sugar balance. Diet alone isn't enough. Combine it with these habits for the best results. Exercise daily. 30 minutes of walking improves insulin sensitivity. Manage stress. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which raises blood sugar. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones and increases cravings. Final thoughts: take charge of your health with smart eating. Controlling diabetes through diet isn't about deprivation. It's about making intentional, delicious choices that empower your well-being. By focusing on whole foods, balanced nutrients, and mindful eating, you can stabilize blood sugar and improve long-term health. Join the wellness movement. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone who needs support in managing diabetes naturally. For more expert-backed wellness insights, subscribe to Harmony of Hope and be part of a thriving community dedicated to better health. By following these strategies, you're not just managing diabetes, you're taking control of your future. Your plate is your power.